Welcome to Today in History, where we dive into the surprising twists and turns that shaped our world on January 18th. Brace yourself. Hungry for more jaw-dropping stories? Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Strap in, friends. Number 20. On January 18th, 474, 6-year-old Leo II ascended to the Byzantine throne after Emperor Leo I's death, managing to become the cutest and shortest reigning ever recorded ruler in empire history. Number 19. On January 18th, 532, the notorious Nika riots in Constantinople ended in a massive bloodbath, leaving the city shaken, but Emperor Justinian somehow still clinging to his powerful, precious crown. Number 18. On January 18, 1126, Emperor Huizong of Song abdicated under intense Jin pressure, swapping his throne for monastic life, and leaving behind one chaotic dynasty meltdown for posterity to study. Number 17. On January 18, 1486, England's King Henry VII married Elizabeth of York, uniting feuding royal houses, fueling gossip, and helping to end the infamous Wars of the Roses for good. Number 16. On January 18, 1535, Spanish conquistador Francisco Pizarro founded Lima, Peru, cunningly picking a location that combined fresh rivers, daily coastal breezes, and a front-row seat to Incan Empire drama. Number 15. On January 18, 1701, Frederick I cleverly upgraded his status from mere elector to king in Prussia, dazzling Europe with an over-the-top coronation parade that left everyone very mildly jealous. Number 14. On January 18, 1778, Captain James Cook reached the Hawaiian Islands, calling them the Sandwich Islands. Islanders surely preferred hula over hoagies, but hey, at least Cook found sunny paradise. Number 13. On January 18, 1788, British ships of the First Fleet landed at Botany Bay, bringing convicts, salted beef, and an entirely new accent down under, forever altering Australia's cultural mosaic. Number 12. On January 18, 1871, in the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles, Wilhelm Fern became German emperor. Nothing says unforgettable event quite like crowning a king in your enemy's lavish palace. Number 11. On January 18, 1886, modern field hockey was born with the Hockey Association's formation in England, letting Victorians whack a ball around with sticks and call it quite civilized fun. Number 10. On January 18, 1903, President Theodore Roosevelt sent a transatlantic radio message to King Edward VII, thrilling geeks worldwide as technology soared beyond telegraphs into the realm of futuristic wizardry. Number 9. On January 18, 1919, the Paris Peace Conference convened after World War I, attempting to piece Europe back together with treaties, handshakes, and enough mustaches to populate a barbershop quartet. Number 8. On January 18, 1943, the Warsaw Ghetto Uprising erupted, with a small Jewish resistance boldly giving Nazi forces a defiant taste of trouble, inspiring future revolts against oppression's iron fist. Number 7. On January 18, 1958, Willie O'Ree shattered the NHL's color barrier with the Boston Bruins, proving that hockey wasn't just for frostbitten Canadians, but for anyone with serious skating skills. Number 6. On January 18, 1967, Albert DeSalvo, famously dubbed the Boston Strangler, was convicted and sentenced to life, reminding everyone that real terror sometimes lurks far beyond eerie bedtime ghost stories. Number 5. On January 18, 1977, Scientists identified Legionella pneumophila as the culprit behind Legionnaire's disease, turning confusion into relief and proving bacteria can crash a party worse than any uninvited relative. Number 4. On January 18, 1978, the European Court of Human Rights ruled Britain had inflicted inhuman and degrading treatment on Northern Ireland internees, giving the government a slap on the wrist. Number 3. On January 18, 1983, the IOC restored Jim Thorpe's 1912 Olympic medals, acknowledging that this athletic powerhouse deserved glory, even if archaic amateur rules once tried to yank it away. Number 2. On January 18, 1990, Washington, D.C. Mayor Marion Barry was arrested for drug possession in an FBI sting, transforming a routine political drama into primetime and sensational national scandal coverage. Number 1. On January 18, 2005, Airbus unveiled its giant A380 in Toulouse, promising travelers double-decker luxury at 35,000 feet, and basically permanently making other planes feel like cramped city buses forevermore. That's our whirlwind tour for January 18th. Craving more astonishing tales, quirky characters, and epic showdowns from history's vaults? Stay tuned because tomorrow's lineup is sizzling with fresh feats, bigger surprises, and unbelievable stories that defy logic. Subscribe now because you won't want to face regret of missing out on the next mind-blowing dates discoveries. Get ready for wilder mysteries and sensational secrets that'll keep your jaw on the floor.